Hi, this is Ram Gopal Verma, Chartered Accountant and Insurance Surveyor. Today we are going to discuss about stock at risk. Now, in case of insurance policy, the value of the sum insured is mentioned in the policy. For example, you have mentioned that my stock up to year 2 worth 2 crore is being insured. So the sum insured under the policy is 2 crore. Now, after burglary has taken place, so you are not left with all the stock. What you are left with is the saved stock. You make a list of the saved stock, item number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these are the items saved. And this is the item name, this is the quantity, this is the rate, this is the value. So you have to arrive at a value of the saved stock. Fine. This is A. This is not the whole stock. Apart from it, what you had is the stolen stock. For example, you say that okay, my stock was 50 lakhs has been stolen. Fine. You make a list of the items that has been stolen. My stock items, quantity, rate, value, this has been stolen. Now, these two we add, saved stock plus stolen stock. That is equal to my total stock, which should have been there before burglary. That is the total stock at risk. Suppose you find that 2 crore worth of stock is still saved and 50 lakhs worth of stock has been stolen, so total comes to 2.50 crores. Whereas you have taken insurance policy for 2 crores. It means you have taken under insurance by say 20%. So it's not a crime that okay, insurance company cannot say that no, I won't pay anything at all because I am not responsible for the balance payment. No, it will be average law will apply in such a case. But how to find out what is the total stock at risk? Their safe stock plus stock stolen. These two makes total stock at risk. This has to be compared with the sum insured under the insurance policy. Now, in such a case, one can find out how to make a list or how to do these things. Fine, it is very simple. In my book also, the insurance be secure, I mentioned that you make a Excel list for the safe stock. You make an Excel list of the stolen stock. You make an Excel list of the total stock before burglary. This is mentioned in my book, Insurance Be Secure. In this, you can see at page number 26, 27, and 28 how the list is to be made. And now this is mentioned here also on this basis. These are the list, how this list is to be made and all that. Now this will give a perfect combination of the figures that as to how much is the stock at risk vis-a-vis the sum insured under the policy. It is very important to find out. Now in this you can include all the stock at the factory which is covered under the policy. So this would give a very handy figure for the insured as well as the insurance company that how the stock value is to be compared. Now in case of jewelry and all that, in case of a household and all that, one can say okay, this is the item stolen, this is the item saved. Now there was a list of saved items has to be made in case of household items also. So whatever is balanced and saved after the burglary. So this stolen plus saved, they make the complete gamut of my total stock at risk. Fine. This is all about stock at risk. And the list has to be perfectly made. This I am sharing with the public at large, those who take insurance policy for the benefit of the insured as well as insurers, how a sum insured vis-a-vis the stock at risk should be compared with each other. I am signing off. This is Ram Gopal Verma, Chartered Accountant and Insurance Surveyor. Thank you.